Welcome everyone. So in this video today we are going to look at equation of a straight line. So basically this question which came in 2024. So it is saying in the diagram AB is perpendicular to CD. So they are telling us that AB is perpendicular to what? CD. Meaning they form a what? A right angled triangle. So if they form a right angled triangle, then if we find the what? The gradient 1 and gradient 2 should be equal to -1. So you have to remember this rule. If we have two perpendicular lines, then if we multiply their gradient, we'll get -1. So our first step is, of course, to find the what? The gradient. So how do you find the gradient? So the gradient is given by the formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if we can pick our coordinates, we have this one. So this is in the y-axis and this is in the x-axis. So meaning if we have 6 here, meaning our y is 0. Then if we have 4 here, meaning our x is 0. So our coordinates is 0, 4 and 6, 0. So these are the formulas we are going to use to solve what? The gradient. Yeah. So this first one is x, and also this is x, then this is y, then this is also y. So this is x1, x2, y2, y1, y2. So we replace. So y2 we have is 0 minus y1, which is 4, divided by x2, which is 6 minus 0. So we have -4 over 6 as our gradient. So this is our gradient. Now we are going to use to calculate the what? To calculate the equation of AB, because this gradient is not for AB, but this gradient is for CD. So now getting back to our principle, which states that if they are perpendicular, I have to multiply their what? Gradient. So m1 we have it's -4 over 6 times m2 is equals to -1. So now here you multiply what is on top. We have -4 m2 over 6, which is equals to -1. Then you close multiply, you have -6 is equals to -4 m2. Then you divide by -4, you get your answer to be m2 is equals to 2 into 4, that's 2 here, 3. So our m2 is 3 over 2. So this is our gradient for what? For AB. So now after I've found our gradient for AB, we are going to use the equation now. Y is equals to mx plus c. So this equation is basically the equation of a straight line. So you have to know that this is the equation of a straight line. Yeah. Then the values we are going to pick is this one, 1, 0, meaning 1 in the x-axis and 0 in the y-axis. So where there is y, we are going to put what? 0. Where there is gradient, we are going to put the gradient we have found. Then where there is x, we are going to put 1 plus c. So here we are calculating the value of c. So here now, you can multiply. You have what? 3 over 2 plus c is equals to 0. Then here now, you can, this can close the other side. So we can have negative 3 over 2, which is C. So our C is negative 3 over 2. Then finally, we can write our equation, which is y is equals to, what is our gradient? 3 over 2 x plus, what is our C? Our C is negative 3 over 2. If you multiply positive and negative, you get 3 minus what? 3 over 2 to give us our final answer. Now, for those that don't like leaving things in a fraction, you can multiply 2 and y so that you get 2y is equals to 3x minus 3. Yeah, so both can be answers and you can be marked. So this is where the video ends. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and follow for more videos.